Hey, what's up, guys? You have a Samsung Galaxy A11 and you have an issue where you forgot your password or your PIN or your swipe code and you're not able to log in. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset bypassing this password. Now, the thing is, even though you forgot your password, you may go ahead and try to, first thing you got to do is go ahead and turn off your phone, okay, to do the factory reset. However, when you try to turn off your phone, it's going to ask for a password. Let me power down, power down. I can't do it. I don't know what my password is, okay? So the bypass is, this is what we're going to do, okay? And listen, so this is what we want to do, okay? First thing is what we want to do with the phone on. We want to press and hold the volume down and power button. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. As soon as you feel it vibrate, quickly let go of only the volume down and then press and hold the volume up, okay? Never take your finger off the power button. So we're going to go ahead and do this together. Hopefully I can get it on the first try. We'll see here, okay? So volume down, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Keep on holding. As soon as I feel it vibrate, I'm going to let go of the volume down and press and hold the volume up. Never take your finger off the power button. Waiting. Still holding both. Vibrate it. Now I'm pressing and holding the volume up. Still holding the power button. Now just hold it. Just like this. You can go ahead and let go right now at Samsung logo. Just go ahead and let go, and let's see if that worked or not. Not sure. Usually it takes me like 2 or 3 tries. Okay, that didn't work. We're going to go ahead and do this again, okay? Okay, let's try it again. Volume down, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Don't let go. I'm still holding here. Waiting for it to vibrate. Then I can press and hold the volume up. Never take your finger off the power button yet. Waiting for the vibrate. Vibrate it. Now press and hold the volume up. Now just wait till you see the Samsung logo. Now go ahead and let go. And let's see if it worked this time. Voila, we're in business. And then from here, just scroll up and down the menu. Just use the volume rockers. If you want to do the factory reset, you go down here. It says wipe data / factory reset. So go all the way down right there. And then go ahead and tap on the power button to select it. Now this basically says it cannot be undone. Okay, remember, factory reset, you're erasing everything on there. Once it's done with the factory reset, it's going to be as if you bought the A11 brand new and took it out of the box. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and proceed, you got to go ahead and tap down here, factory data reset, and tap on power button and let it do its thing. Typically it takes about 3 minutes. Okay, if it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. Okay, still have issues, comment below. Good luck.